Hello. I don't even know what today is, so I'm not going to even try and tell you. I don't remember what I was working on. Oh, the door frame where I was peeling the stuff off to put new weather stripping on. Anyway, hurt my back on that one and had basically been down for 2 days, maybe 3. Anyway, I decided to get back out here. It's, I don't know, probably not even 10 o'clock. And it's already 92 degrees inside this TrailManor. So what I did was, turn you around, hooked up a fan. And I got, in the last video I showed you, I got this because my shower didn't have this piece on it. So I thought, well, I'll get out here and I'll get this piece put on. Sounds easier than what it really was. To replace this thing, there is no way, let me take you out here and show you. There is no way to install this. Well, there is, but this is the only piece that I need, this little black whatever it is. But there's no way to remove this on this fixture, nor is there a way to remove the broken part on the other fixture. So I have to replace the whole thing, which I thought was fine. Well, let me show you how fine it's not. You see all that? That was the tile, stick-on tile that I had on the shower area. Let me get in here. To get to this, I have to be able to take this box thing off. Well, with my tile on there, I couldn't do that. So I've spent the morning, the better part of the morning, tearing off the tile, stick-on tile that I had just put on, because I have to change this out and I can't do it without taking this box off. So I took a knife and I cut along this tile here so that when I tore it off it didn't rip this off up here. So now I'm in the process of tearing the caulking off so that I can get inside this box here to remove this piece so that I can get the new piece put on, the new fixture on. So I've still got to unscrew, I'm guessing, all these screws before this will come off. So that's what I'm doing. Lucky me. That, I'll tell you what, putting this tile on here was the hardest part of the job. But anyway. Alright, I'm going to get busy. I'll try and set you up so you can see. As far as what I'm going to put back on here, I don't know. I may just paint it and leave it, because this stuff is like $30 a pack for a pack of 10. Well, I don't need 10. And if I have to ever take this off again, why would I put the tile? So I'm thinking I may just paint it, but I haven't completely decided yet. But I do know I have to be able to get in this box if I have plumbing problems. And yeah, the thought crossed my mind when I was doing this, but that's about as far as I let it go, was just crossing. So I guess I gotta find a way to unscrew these and put the new one on. Just checking to make sure there's no leaks. So yeah, I guess just figure out a way to unscrew those. Oh, hey, those are on there tight. All right, success. I got the these things undone, and now I'm just working on getting the old faucet fixture off. This goes through here, and these go on there. Well, after about an hour, I finally got this side of it in there. The problem was the hose isn't long enough, or wasn't, and it wasn't flexible enough. So what I did was I took this whole box off, got everything started, and now I'm just tightening everything back up. Channel lock. What I wanted to do was hook this up before I put all this back together and make sure I don't have any leaks. Got my plumber's tape, so I'm going to take this off again, like that. I don't know quite how to do this. It doesn't have a lot of room in there to work. Trying to do it smooth. I think I'll just do 2 wraps on my finger. Alright, put this back on, see how we do. Can't get a hold of it though. And that thing being so slick and my fingers being wet. Alright, try it again. Okay, I don't see a leak. Don't feel a leak. I'm going to check inside here one more time. Let's see. And I don't see a problem in there. Try and put this back together. Was that I was going to come up on July 21st and ready to take off and still not have my shower area set up. But at least now I know that if I go boondocking somewhere, at least I can take a shower. Okay, so I got done in there, closed up, cleaned up, locked up, came in the house where it's cool because it was 100 degrees in the trailer. So I'm going to get this video uploaded and I'll finish up either tonight or tomorrow, and when I do I will bring you along. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.